Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android head unit, Android Pi 9 systems head unit special for Peugeot 206. Okay, let me unbox review. Here is box. Let me open the box. You can check head unit with good condition. This is special head unit and the harness. Okay, first let me introduce the harness set first. You can check this special compass for Peugeot. Okay, this is special harness. This connector connects to our back of head unit. This is special compass box. And this factory plug. It's 206 Peugeot power cable. Okay. And this K1 and K2 wire. This K1 and K2 for steering wheel control. And this ANT wire, 12 voltage. This GND wire, ground wire. Okay. There are connector. You can check. Okay, this special harness and compass box. Head unit will come with microphone, external microphone. This camera input. This AUX input, left and right. This video input. And this connect to back of head unit. This audio cable, this subwoofer, and this video out one. This video out front and rear, left and right. This video out 1 and video out 2. Okay, let me introduce head unit. Okay, you can check this side and the back. There are GPS antenna. This GPS antenna. This two USB cable and the external microphone. This GPS antenna connection is USB, and then you can check back this radio antenna, this Wi-Fi antenna. This is connected for audio and the other. This power, this fuse. Okay. Let me show it. Let me find something to fix. Okay, let me connect power cable. Okay. You can check head unit will be start. Let me find something to fix. Okay, you can check this 9-inch IPS touchscreen, special for Peugeot. Okay, let me introduce. You can check. Please adjust the brightness. You can take out this screw protector before using. Okay, there SD card, 2 SD card slot and reset hole. This microphone. Long press, you can change the wallpaper. It supports leaf paper. Okay, change the wallpaper. It's very fast response. It's built-in DSP amplifier, and Google Maps Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. Okay, let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi, and they support hotspot from your phone. Back. About machine, you can check the MCU volume, CPU octa-core, memory size 4GB, PX5 rack chip, Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me back. Okay, let me check the storage. You can check total 64GB storage. And card settings, personal settings, it supports play music, SD card or USB. And LED settings, you can choose green, blue color, and orange, any color. You can adjust this panel. Okay, let me choose the red. Okay. Navigation settings, it supports Google Maps and Sidekick here with other navigation. Personal settings, you can check this auto illumination, vehicle battery, Bluetooth phone, night mode. Driver settings, you can turn on or turn off reserve volume and watch video. This is full backup camera. It's rear ruler tracking display X mirroring. It supports factory steering wheel controls. You can connect GND wire K1 and K2 to learning steering wheel buttons on this panel. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. This radio alarm press, you can click search button to search the radio stations. Its volume. Okay, its power. Okay, that's all. Thank you.